Today marks yet another important milestone in our quest to make Ghana a new manufacturing hub of Africa.
This is the fruit of a wonderful public-private partnership between government and business
to make this country a fully integrated and competitive industrial hub within the West African region, and bless our beloved country, Ghana.
This is the most modern, state-of-the-art facility in West Africa. We see jobs being created both directly and indirectly, and we see growth becoming unleashed upstream and downstream in the automotive value chain. As we do this, Africa will develop its own automotive assembly plants and factories, creating more jobs and developing technical skills that will be equal to anywhere else in the world.
A compelling case for Ghana as the new commercial and investment capital of Africa.